it's Try It Tuesday. Do you have a wine aficionado on your holiday list, or are you simply looking for the perfect gift to treat yourself? Well, here to help with the ultimate wine gadget gift guide on this Try It Tuesday is author and entrepreneur Christina Daves. It's always great to see you.
All right.
How are you?
I'm great.
You come with the best presents in the world. You can do
Yes.
all your shopping right now. Okay, we begin.
So let's say you're traveling somewhere warm for the holidays, and you don't want to take a bottle to the beach, or just pour your bottle right in here. Wine to go from the grommet.
Oh my God.
Isn't that great?
And you can get a whole bottle?
You get a whole bottle in there.
Look at that.
Put it in your beach bag, put it anywhere.
Only for when you're going to the beach, not to the gym or work. Okay, up next.
Now, not to be confused with wine to go is vino to go. So these are wine glasses in a sippy cup. No more broken glasses.
I love them, and it's so cute that the wine glass is actually in there. Very easy. I actually should have this for on my couch at home, just to avoid any spills.
And they have the extra large size just for you.
Okay, I love it. What's next?
All right, the perfect stocking stuffer is the wine condom.
You heard correctly, folks.
The
a wine condom.
Now this is what it does. You know, corks get in the way in the refrigerator. Look at this.
It's brilliant.
It's brilliant.
So
let's go.
They come in the little packages here, and of course, I'm going to see how easy it is to put the wine condom on.
Yeah, just like that, and roll it down.
Uh-oh. Okay.
There you go.
Very easy.
And just roll it right down.
All right, next one. It's making me uncomfortable.
That's what we had kid doing, not me.
All right, here we go.
So you're traveling. You want to take a nice bottle of wine with you on the airplane. You're worried about putting that red wine in your suitcase.
Yeah.
This is a wine skin. You get these at Total Wine. It's all bubble wrapped. You put it in.
Brilliant.
You tape it shut.
Again, I need these just to get home from the grocery store safely. Not just when you're traveling. Love it. Okay, cool.
Okay.
So secure.
This is so awesome. I love ice cold Chardonnay. So you freeze these glasses. They have a gel in here. This is from homewetbar.com, and your wine is always ice cold.
Yeah, and that's so hard to do. Who comes up with these ideas?
I know, aren't they so fun?
What is
okay,
this?
This is the wand right here. So you get headaches, you get red. I sneeze all the time when I drink wine.
Sure.
So they come in little packets like this. They're disposable. When you go to a restaurant, wherever you go, you just stir your wine.
And that does what?
That's the wand. And it gets rid of all the sulfites and all the histamines.
Okay.
So no more sneezing, no more red, no more stuffiness.
Does it, you still can get, it doesn't take any of the alcohol?
Doesn't take the alcohol, no,
okay, fine.
No. And then they also have this right here, and they come in these, they come in 5 and 10 packs, and then this is so you can aerate your wine.
Oh, okay.
So you just put that in,
and
pour, and it gets rid of all the histamines and the sulfites from the entire bottle.
Great, love it.
Okay.
Next.
This is CORKCICLE. I love CORKCICLE.
CORKCICLE.
Yes. So you freeze this for 90 minutes. You put it in your wine bottle. Now note, do not put it in a full wine bottle. You got to pour a glass out. I did that before.
And then the whole thing
wine goes everywhere.
overflows.
And then this one you can actually keep it in and pour your wine.
Oh, brilliant.
Now this is...
Who knew there were all these things for... I drink wine every night. I
know.
don't have any of these gadgets. Okay.
But this, I want to just real quick give a little plug to Details and Haymarket, because they are doing a retail roundup. So you can round up your receipt, and it's going to Buddies Breaking Boundaries. And it's a group of general ed kids and special ed kids that work together. And a very special young woman in our community passed away last month. So this is in honor of Maggie Smith.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Great. And real quickly, the purse.
The purse. Why am I bringing you a purse?
Yeah.
Because the purse carries wine.
Oh!
2 bottles, guys. You fill it up with this. You put the ice pack in. Stick it in the purse. Just pour your wine.
I'm going to start carrying a wine around. Or a wine purse around. I don't care.
And it's a gorgeous purse.
This is awesome. Great stuff. Look at this.